Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So today's video is going to be about how to find multi-bagger stocks, right? The highest probability to find these multi-bagger stocks. Can the methodology fail? Yes. So you have to put a stop loss also. But there is a very high chance and probability of success. Right? My only request is please share this video with as many people as possible, because it is a type of video which can change lives, and I'm telling you very seriously, change lives. Okay? So chalo, let's see how it can be done. So, Nifty 50, when I have a look at it, has fallen down quite a bit. And as we expected before, a pullback is happening, right? Can this lead to a reversal? Yes, it can. But how will we be catching it is something like this. Here, a higher low here. Or, can it even fall like this? Yes, it can. So, how is this going to help us to find multi-baggers, you will ask me. What we have to do is, there are two ways to find multi-baggers. First is something known as sectoral analysis. And second is overall market index. Okay, the important thing here is this requires a lot of hard work and discipline, right? It requires a lot of hard work and discipline. Now the market has fallen, right? This can be a correction and it can again fall, or it can move to lifetime highs, or even it can remain sideways. But how do we find multi-bagger stocks? What we have to do is, in sector analysis, so this is, we're going to keep two screens. This is the Nifty and this is the private bank index. Right, here you can see the private bank index. What in sector analysis has to be done is, fall the least, recover the fastest. This is sector analysis. Alright. So when I look at a monthly chart of all these sectors which are here on this side is going to be Nifty. This side is going to be Nifty, and this side I'm going to change the different indices. Both are on a monthly time frame. So what I'm going to do is, now this is the Nifty auto index. Has it recovered the fastest? No. Has it fallen the least? No. What about India consumption? No. Energy? No. Yes. What about this? Financial services. This sector has fallen the least and has the potential to break all-time highs. Has it done that yet? No. So we have to wait. But that's a high probability of happening. Nifty IT, we expected that it had fallen less, but it actually fell more without breaking the previous high. It's important that it breaks the previous high. So IT is also not valid. What about media? The previous high is here, so no. Metal looks great. The fall is a bit less or in line, but what it has done is it has broken the last two highs on monthly time frame. So if this high is broken before the market, we can focus on the metal sector as well. Wow, the pharma sector has also not fallen a lot. And if it recovers and breaks this high, that would be another leader. PSU index? No. PSU bank? No. Yes, Nifty private bank has fallen the least. So if it is able to break these highs before the market does, then it's a valid setup for long term. Now we have seen all of these sectors. Now you'll ask me, ki, how do I find multi-bagger stocks? What you have to do is then go to NSE ka website, right? You have to go to indices here. You have to go to sectoral indices, and these are all the sectors. For example, then we have to go to what we said, Nifty financial services look good. So we have to click Nifty financial services. See, Nifty FinServ 2550. What we have to do is go to the index constituents. It'll get downloaded. One has to open and then one has to go through these. Once you get the list of companies, you have to go through them one by one and see which of them are making all-time highs. So, once you get the list, you have to observe and look into stocks that are making all-time high before the market, right? So this is how you do sectoral analysis. Now you'll ask me, what was the other overall market index? What one should do is again go on this chart, indices. One should go to broad-based indices. Here you will see Nifty 200 and Nifty 500. These are the top 200 stocks by market cap, and this is the top 500 stocks. What one should do is click on Nifty 200, go to index constituents, click on it, and you will get a list of 200 companies here. What you should do is very simple. You have to see the 200 companies, observe and find out companies which are making all-time high. Now you will tell me, sir, 200 कंपनी देखने में कितना टाइम जाएगा? Actually ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं जाएगा, because what you have to do is make a watch list of 200 companies, and over the weekend, every weekend, once the watch list is created, every weekend, you have to go through these 200 stocks, just a click, and you have to see on side by side both the screens कि क्या ये all time high कर रहा है मार्केट के पहले. अगर ये all time high कर रहा है मार्केट के पहले, that should go in another watch list, right? And you should observe them and allocate it based on your financial advisor. This is not advisory service. So It will help you track better and outperforming companies. Right? This will change lives. Don't try to buy companies which are cheap. Try to buy companies which are outperforming the market and breaking all-time highs before the market does. You want to focus only on those companies. Once market breaks all-time high, उसके बाद मत देखो ये सब. जब market trouble times में रहता है जैसे अभी है, तब देखना. Right? You will find the next set of leaders. ठीक है? My only request is that please share this video with as many people as possible. I'm doing this free of charge. Everything is free. So just subscribe to the channel. Just like the video. That's all I'm saying. Yeah. Chalo, bye. I'll see you on Monday.